everybody, Nikki White here, and today we are back at the Sanrio store in Ginza, and it's been newly renovated, and the main difference that I'm seeing is just that there is no more downstairs. So there's a new store there. I'll show some clips. They did have some like bougie collaborations with Sanrio, which I was tempted. Anyways, let's take a look. Guys, the competition is fierce right now. Just put your favorite Sanrio character. I did mine earlier, it was pretty busted. And then I think the other big difference, not big difference, but like the strawberry used to be in the center and now it's off to the side as a display instead of something you can walk through. Whoa, that's kind of interesting. I thought that was Dear Daniel for a hot second. Perfect. I love the embroidered, but then I feel like it doesn't really go with the printed. These are currently what seems to be popular, these embroidered keychains, which is up my alley. Yes, I bought one earlier, but I kind of want like obscure characters like this. This is deeply disturbing. I don't like when she's like a cat, like that, cat body. Who? What? You know I love luggages, but we've already got 2 of our luggages with us. Usahana. Oh, that's actually really soft. That's nice. Tempting. Oh my gosh, $53. Oh, does it come with bottoms? Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. I might have to rep my boy. First things first. And unfortunately for Kenneth, he is here with me, so he's just like chilling over there because you know I go feral at the Sanrio store. So I think I'm gonna get one of these before the trip is done to put on my new backpack, but I don't know, I'll just be carrying him around for now, I think. I really don't like this. It's like a 90s windbreaker situation. No, it's gonna be a no for me. I'd rather have like classic plushie. I love that they've got some peckle. Like, this is so cute. I'm hoping to find a pom-pom Perrin, maybe secondhand, because I need to add a plush to my collection. So I got a wallet here last year, but it has Velcro, which I don't love. This one actually has like a clasp, so feels like it could be a better bet. Oh my gosh, for the World Expo in Osaka. Semi-disturbing, kind of cute. Oh my gosh, I thought she was like beat up. Honey, get the nice dishes. We've got guests over. Shoes. That's new. Sanrio babies. Thank you for joining me again at Sanrio Ginza. Hope you guys saw something cool you like in this video. There's a few things I have my eyes on, but since we're gonna come back to Tokyo, I'll buy things later. We'll see you in the next one. Okay, see you, bye.